Hey guys, Digital David here. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Today I'll be looking at two Toovren iPhone XR cases. You can go ahead, you can purchase them from Amazon. The link is in my video description below. It'll take you right there. You can see the most current pricing, that sort of thing. Really excited about it. They are for an iPhone XR, and they did send me these cases to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. So we have an iPhone XR case and an iPhone XR case lanyard case. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the iPhone XR case first. Again, this comes packaged from Amazon. Really nice. This is really cool. It's a wood box. So I'm really impressed with it. It's really nice, really neat. You can see the barcode right there, made in China. Then it opens up. So this is sweet. And here is the case itself. I already really like it. So it's red. And it's got a like velvet material on the inside, so it'll really protect your phone and make sure it doesn't scratch the back or anything. You can see they got really nice cutouts, really nice feel to it, spots for your buttons. So yeah, really cool. Big spot down here below for the ports. And yeah, really sweet. So you can take your iPhone XR, and the black and the red will look really cool together. And you can put it right in the case. And it fits perfectly nice and snug, which is exactly how you're going to want it to make sure, it actually provides some protection for your device. It works really well. You can see perfect cutout there, perfect spot here for the buttons right there. You can see even that little switch you can perfectly use as well too. So really well thought out, really nice design, really happy with it. Again, it's really, really cool, perfect fit. So great for your phone if you're looking for just a nice hard case to protect the back, but you want some style, some color, some flair, good contrast for your phone. Really high quality. You can tell it's a great case. Again, the brand is Toovren, and the link will be in my video description below so you can see it for yourself. But yeah, really, really a nice job, perfect fit for it. And then you should be able to just, take it right back out if need be. So yeah, really well designed case. So go ahead, check that one out. And now, let's go ahead and we'll look at the iPhone XR lanyard case. So, same manufacturer, not in a wood box like that, but you can see the markings on it, made in China as well with the QR code. And this is the lanyard case that I'm really excited about. I've reviewed a couple other lanyard cases from them as well, so make sure you can check out those videos depending on what devices you have in your lineup. But it's a lanyard case, and it does have some spots to use for some money, some credit cards, that sort of thing. So we'll go ahead and we'll go get some cash and a credit card just to show you how that fits in there. So first thing we want to do though, we can just look at the case. It's really nice. Again, it's got cutouts on every side to make sure the buttons work, the camera can fit. It's got an adjustable strap here too. So these are great cases. It's like a perfect utility case. So you have two settings. So you can prop it up using this back little button right there. It's really nice. Or you can use it as a grip for your hand. And then again, like I said, you can put some money and cash in there as well. And last but not least, you can use it as a necklace. So it's a lanyard case. So you can wear your phone, you can wrap it around your hand, your wrist. So let's go ahead, let's put the device in and see how we like it. But I can already tell I'm really a big fan. I love the nice round bumpers here. Just really helps, I feel like, to protect it. And the case is really slim, so it doesn't even add that much to it as you'd think it might, since it has this nice handle in the back. But it's actually really keeps a good profile still. And again, like I said, it's two adjustments, but you can use it, as a grip. Or like I said, it's the perfect little phone stand. You can do it either way depending on how you want to view media. And again, nice adjustable lanyard right here depending on how you want to wear it. But you can just put it right over your neck and it's really, really comfortable. It's great. So they make awesome cases. Really happy with them. We'll take the other one back out now. Just kind of, we can look at them side by side. You can see just the differences there. And then obviously there. But I mean, same thing. Camera's cut out perfectly in here. Buttons still work. You have access to everything you could need. Nothing's blocked. Speaker ports are perfectly cut out. So it's a really great device. Let me go grab some cards really quick. and we will see how it holds up. So again, I got some cards you can use if you want to store a couple of credit cards, a couple of rewards cards, that sort of thing, a driver's license. You can fit, I already got 2 in there. You could fit a lot of cards in there if you wanted. And then again, there's room too, so if you wanted to put some cash in there as well, you could just go ahead and stick some cash in too to use it like a wallet. And it's really nice that they have that button to really clasp in there so nothing can fall out. So I got 2 cards and a bunch of bills. Fits perfectly in there. So really a handy case if you're in the market for one. Definitely check out Toovren stuff. Very affordable, and I really like the quality. The quality's there, so you can see the craftsmanship in the design. And then I like that, I've mentioned it before, but the bumpers are really nice, really soft, but also really durable. And then they're taller than the device. So if you set it down, you're not setting it down on the screen, you're setting it down on these nice bumpers that surround your device. So really a sweet product. Go ahead, check them out. They make a bunch of different types of iPhone cases depending on what model you may have. So go ahead, check them out. They're on Amazon, great seller. Look them up. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, that sort of thing. Go ahead, check out my website, join my newsletter, hit the like button, hit the sub button. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns again, that sort of thing. Love to interact with you all. Appreciate you being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.